Hello guys, welcome to Python programming tutorials. In this video, I will explain few basic operations that we can perform on list. So let's get started. So these are few basic operations: length, concatenation, repetition, membership, min, max and sorted. So these operations will be very helpful when you do any Python project. So let's look one by one. So I'll open the terminal and type Python. So we have length operation. So x equal to 1 2 3 4 5. I have created a list x. So by seeing x we can say that we have 5 elements, right? Suppose if you have a list that are uncountable elements, so in that situation we can easily check by using len function. So if I write len of x, it returns 5 elements. So that is len function, len operation. And the next we have concatenation. So basically concatenation means combining two or more objects. For example, if I show you, suppose I'll create two lists. In x I will create 1 2 3, and y I will create 4 5 6. So I have created list x and list y. If you want to concat or combine these two objects, you can basically combine by using plus operator. So the plus operator usually combines x and y. So if I print a, see, it returns 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is, it combined x and y list. And next we have repetition. Repetition means repeating the same value multiple times. So that is nothing but, suppose if I create a list and I'll write hi. So I have created a list and we have element hi. Suppose if I want to repeat this hi element multiple times, let's say 5 times. So in that situation I can write x into 5 and it returns hi 5 times, and basically it returns n number of times. So it can do repetitions based on how many times you give. So and next we have membership operation. I have discussed about membership operation in operators tutorial, so I will revise that operator. So membership operation basically returns if a particular element is present in a list or not. Suppose if I create list x equal to 4 5 6 7 9. So we have list x that consists of 4 5 6 7 9. Suppose if you want to check whether 4 is there in x or not, then you can write 4 in x. So it returns true because 4 exists in list x. Suppose say that if you want to check whether 8 exists in x or not, so if I write, it returns false because 8 does not exist in list x. So that's how you can do membership operation on list. And next we have min, max and sorted. Min, max are nothing but minimum value and maximum value, and sorted is nothing but sorting the elements. So if I create a list, let's say 10 1 5 6 9. Suppose if you want to know the minimum value in the list, then you can casually write min of x, sorry, min, not mix. So it returns 1, and we can also check max by using max of x. So it returns max. One thing you need to remember here is that it either need to contain integer or floating point value. It does not have string or complex value. Suppose if I include hello, now if I check min of x, see, it returns error, that is less operator is not supported between instances of str and int, that is string and int. So it does not allow string values to perform minimum operation. And next we have sorted. Sorted is nothing but it arranges the list in sorted order. Suppose we have x. Suppose if I create another list, let's say x equal to 6 comma 2 comma 4 comma 3 comma 1. suppose we want to sort this list, then you can simply write sorted of x. So it returns the list in sorting order, that is 1 2 3 4 6. So these are the few basic operations that we can perform on list. In the next video I will discuss about list operations. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching.